Nom 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 nom. Well, welcome back to another Dyno Days video. This is a beautiful silver FN2 in the house. Today Richard has fitted some Piper kit, which looks very, very nice, so we'll talk about that at the end. And it's our job to map her up on the Ecutek software, so that is what we're going to do. Hopefully we'll get a standard run next, see where we're starting, and then move forward with some custom tuning. Boo. This video's sponsor is worldoflubricant.co.uk. You can save yourself some money as a Dyno Days viewer by using the code Dyno at their checkout. Now, obviously K20s need oil, so you need oil. So please do go and save yourself a load of money. In the comments below, tell us what oil you're currently using. Are you using 5W40, 5W30? What brand are you using? Let us know. In the description of this video is the links to all World of Lubricants socials and website, and somewhere up here there'll be a link for you to go directly to their store and start spending some money on some oil. Awesome. Okay, silver FN2. Today, Richard, you have been mostly fitting Piper.
Mostly been fitting Piper parts.
Piper parts. So what have we fitted? A true 3-inch?
True 3-inch exhaust. So we fitted the Piper manifold, Piper 3-inch sports cat, and Piper 3-inch exhaust.
Good stuff. Sounds beautiful.
Yeah. I think where this car lacks is its induction kit.
Yeah, what is that? Piper
it,
cross?
It maybe looks like a Piper cross. It literally is like an aluminium MAF boss and a filter.
That does sound like Piper cross.
Yeah, it sounds like a Piper cross, doesn't it? Little and a little heat shield on it. To be honest, and obviously on the original plastic pipe, I think that's where this car suffered today. I think that a decent induction kit would have complemented that exhaust quite nicely. It's not made power, don't get me wrong,
but a great exhaust system. So now if you went RRC and a CPL Big bore induction kit, he'd be up there.
Oh, definitely. There'd be another, I think there'd be another 15 brake in that with a with an ported RRC and a decent induction kit. I don't even think at this stage, without cams, I don't think it's worth putting the throttle body on. I think you could save yourself sort of 350 quid there and just do that and make towards the sort of around the 230, 235 mark.
Well, he's put his own stamp on it. There's a bit of Maxton body kit on there with a green pinstripe. I've seen he's got a Seeker spoiler, and underneath that it's got a green pinstripe. So he's going for a little bit of green everywhere. Kawasaki green almost, that is.
Nice.
But yeah, shall we look at the graph?
Let's have a look at that graph.
Let's look at the graph.
Well, say it with me, lads. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Red line is actually when it went on the dyno after it had the Piper exhaust system fitted. So Piper Manifold, Piper Sports Cat, and yeah, Piper True 3-inch, and even that on its own gave us sort of 13 brake horsepower from a stock car. So yeah, really happy with that. Blue line is as she leaves, as it always is, and we're finishing on 290. I'm calling that 220, 190 at the wheels. Yeah, there we go. There's another one. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Do go and check our sponsors out, worldoflubricant.co.uk. They make us happy because we can do more and more of these videos. Yes, that's what Richard's talking about. It's quite a small little cone buried at the back of the engine bay there, so perhaps not the best, but more to be had. That's the positivity from it, more to be had. So anyway, we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Richard? We will indeed.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.